Chris Jacobs here for Swisstrax. Today, we're at the Flying L Ranch to see some really cool cars, a really cool garage, and meet a very cool lady, Lisa Taylor. What does every cool garage start with? Obviously, a cool floor. Obviously, this is a working garage. Why is it important for you to have the proper components in your garage, especially the floor?
Swisstrax was the perfect answer for my problem. They popped it in, this whole thing came in one day. We can fit 8 cars in here. I just blow it out and it's always clean.
And you can switch it around.
Yeah, it's great. We did the little design. We did the brown and the orange. Kind of matches the orange cars.
It's so modular too. If you want to switch the design up, you can. If you want to switch the colors around, you can. Durable, low maintenance, beautiful to look at, made in the USA. There's so many great things about Swisstrax.